Good morning, students. This is Harsnath Sukla, and today we are going to discuss the chapter number 4 for class 12th, determinant. So, after completing matrices, we shall proceed to determinant. So, first of all, what is determinant? We are going to see what is determinant and what is the definition actually. So, if we say, then determinant is nothing but a particular number, and our determinant always find by the given matrix. So see, if M is the set of square matrix and K is the set of numbers, real number or complex number, then a function from f from M to K is defined as a function from M to K is defined as fa is equal to K, where A belongs to M, that is a matrix, square matrix, and K belongs to K, that is a scalar number, is called the determinant of A, and it is denoted by mod of A. That means determinant of A or det of A. So this is the determinant. For matrix, determinant A is the real number. That means in our syllabus only the determinant of real numbers, not a complex number or imaginary number. So determinants of a matrix of order 1. So see, let A is equal to A be a matrix of order 1, then determinant of A is defined to equal to A, and the determinant of matrix of order 2. So if A is equal to matrix such that A11, A12, A21, A22 be a matrix of order 2 cross 2, then the determinant of A is defined as the det A or determinant A is equal to delta is equal to determinant of A11, A12, A21, A22. Then you have to multiply it, cross multiply, that is A11 into A12 and A21 into A12. So this is the value of this determinant, and this is a real number, simply a number. Okay, so we see some examples. See, evaluate this. So this is very simple. 2 4 minus 1 2, and this is equal to 2 2 is 4 and minus 1 4 is 4, but minus is already here, so minus 4. So this becomes 4 plus 4, and this is nothing but 8. Similarly, evaluate this determinant. So if we evaluate, then we get, simply see in the same manner, x square minus x square plus 1, that is simply 1. So this is the matrix of order 2 cross 2. Now we are going to discuss the matrix of order 3 cross 3. So if A is a matrix such that A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A231, A32, A33, then determinant of A, this is nothing but this one. So how will we get the values of or expansion of this particular matrix? So determinant of A, this is nothing but A11 into, leave this particular row and this particular common column, A22, A33, A33 minus A32, A23, A32, A23. Similarly for A12, if you consider A12, again plus minus, so minus of A12 1 2, and I'll again in bracket leave this particular row and this particular column. You have the next result. Similarly, plus 8 1 3, and you will get, see, it is given here. Please try to understand. And the net determinant value of determinant is this one. Net value of the given determinant is this one. Okay. So thank you for today, and we shall discuss next topic in next lecture. So please see.